If you're tired of this, if you're tired of being a slave, if you're tired of waking up every morning very early, shower your rush to your office to go and help some other man make his millions, if you're bothered about where you're going to be tomorrow, if you're bothered about your future, you want to make money, you want to have a free life, you want to be able to sit at home, open a trade, and you're floating with $500. I'm just being conservative here. $500, $1,000, $2,000. If you want to be able to go to the swimming pool when you want, you want to live a free life, drive that your dream car, my dear, then you are in the right place. You are in the right place, because today I'm going to be teaching you how to start Forex in 15 minutes or in 30 minutes. I'm going to be teaching you how to start Forex trade. I'm going to be talking about what is Forex in general. All right. If you've ever bought dollars before, or somebody have ever gifted you $1 before, and then you go to your local exchange and then you give them that dollar, they give you the equivalent of that dollar based on the exchange rate, then you have traded Forex. That is Forex trading. You have done Forex trading, or if you have ever traveled to another country, let's take for instance China, and then you went to some exchange and exchange your currency to the Chinese yuan, then you have done Forex. That is Forex trading already. But that's not the Forex trade I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is how you can sit in your house and make millions. Earn in dollars, you can earn in pounds, you can earn in any currency depending on the account, the fiat account you have chosen. I'm going to walk you through on how to start your Forex trade if you want to have a free life. Okay, Forex is, the full meaning of Forex means foreign exchange. Full meaning of Forex means foreign exchange. Okay, as a Forex trader, how we trade our Forex is with our mobile phone or our computer. You can trade Forex trading with your mobile phone or computer. So what are the tools you need? I'm going to make sure I will explain everything before this video will end. You should be able to understand what is Forex. You should be able to know what is TradingView. That is where you can trade your Forex, where you can analyze your market. You should be able to create a Forex account. You should be able to learn more about Forex. You should also be able to know about how to read Forex news, like the US election that is coming up now. You should be able to capitalize on it. You can capitalize on it and make money. So at the end of this video also, you should be able to do technical analysis on your own, because I'm going to be breaking down everything in a layman understanding. And lastly, you should be able to trade on your phone, that is being able to download the MetaTrader, and you should also be able to follow proper risk management, teach you how not to lose your money in Forex. All right, let's dive into it real quick. All right, the first thing you need to do before you start trading Forex is head over to this guy, babypips.com. You can just go to your Google and just type babypips.com, or I will also I'll drop the link in my bio. Then when you go to this site, babypips.com, on your Google, just go and start learning Forex bit by bit. Or if you want a one-on-one training, you can also do where to watch the videos on my playlist. I have done a proper video of how you can start trading Forex. I'm going to also drop the link on my bio as well too, so you can learn all this for free: how to start Forex, how to learn about candle. Next thing also you want to do is to go over to your Google and type TradingView.com. Just type TradingView.com, TradingView.com, or you can just type TradingView, and then you see these options. Click on this first option, TradingView. Now, if you click on that option, it will bring you to this portal where you have to create an account. Everything is for free. Don't pay for anything. Just create an account and then start analyzing the market. So when you finish creating an account, let me walk you through. Now, you'll be exposed to several currencies. Forex trading is all about trading currencies, trading the world currencies like GBP/USD, that is Great British Pound versus dollars. We have a lot of them. AUD/USD, that's Australian dollar versus USD. Even the gold, SAU/USD, that's good. You can trade gold, you can trade stock, you can trade Facebook stock, Twitter stock, Amazon stock. You can trade everything on Forex. You can trade everything in Forex without having to buy anything. In Forex trading, you're not buying anything, you're not buying currency. When you hear buy and sell, you're not buying anything, you're literally buying anything. So now, baby peeps will do a good work. Baby peeps would also do a good work. So when you come to TradingView, the next thing you need to do is to start learning about this. You can come under this section. We have stock here, we have funds, we have feature, we have Forex. So you come under this Forex and start learning this. Learn the names of this. I have to master all this name. Euro/USD means European dollars versus USD, that is US dollars. So now remember, the first example I gave you, I said when you travel to China, you exchange your whatever currency you are using to the Chinese yuan. So remember, these two currencies that are exchanging together. So forex trading is all about exchanging two currencies together. So that is why you are seeing currencies are all paired here. Euro/USD means euro versus dollars. So USD/JPY means USD versus Japanese yen, US dollar versus Japanese yen. There are a whole lot of them that you can always study and know about them. And then let's open, when you tap on anyone, I've tapped on GBP/USD now, this is it, and then you'll be seeing this thing. So now when you see this, what do you need to know? Now, what is this? This is called chart, Forex chart. What is chart used for? Chart is where you read the Forex market, you predict movements. The green one now, you just do two things in the market. You do just two things in the market, in the Forex market. You buy and you sell. Remember I said earlier, you're not buying anything physically. You're not buying anything physically. Everything you're doing is visual. It is gone are the days where Forex was, you have to go over to a particular place in Chicago and trade. This one now is, you don't have to do, you can stay in the comfort of your home. Some persons even have this TradingView on their card these days, because some cards now are Android. Yes, the latest card I'm making these days now are Android. So you can watch your Forex chart on your car screen. You can also take your laptop to wherever you're going to, maybe your restaurant, outing, wherever you want to go. You can take your laptop, or you can also take your phone if you don't want to take your laptop. So Forex can be done anywhere. So this is chart. The green one represents the buyer's activities, and the red one represent the seller activities. For a Forex transaction to be completed, there must be two persons present in that market, the buyers and the seller. There must be two persons present in the market, the buyer and the seller. So now the green one represents the buyer activities, and the red one represents the seller activities. And you can see the green one is heading upwardly. You can see, right? It's heading. If you zoom down on this chart, the green is heading up, meanwhile the red one is heading down. So those are the basic things you need to know. Baby peeps will do justice to it, or my playlist about where I talk about Forex charts will do justice. I will also link it below this video. Now I'm trying to keep everything as simple as possible. So once you know once you master this chart, what else do you need to do? Once mastering the chart is not a big deal. It's just all about coming. For instance, let me just use you open this chart now, GBUSD. What do you need to do? You come over to daily time frame. Time frame now is, what is time frame? Time frame is for instance now, time frame has to talk about your type of trader, the type of trader you are. Are you a type of person that you just want to look at this thing in a minute, just want to look at this movement in a minute, and then it's selling, you just join it, then in 1 minute time you're out, or 5 minutes time you're out, or 15 minutes time you're out? Or are you a type of person that you want to hold your trade for too long, like in a day you want to hold your trade for one full day, or you want to hold your trade for one full month? Then if you want to hold your trade for one full day, then the daily time frame is for you. Or if you want to hold your trade for like 2, 3, 4 hours, then the 4 hours time frame, or the 1 hour time frame, or even the 15-minute time frame is for you. Okay, so this time frame is basically your lifestyle. So forex is customized in a way that it will suit your kind of lifestyle. So if you're working in a bank, you're working in an office, or wherever you're working, or maybe you want to go out with your children, you want to go with your children for outing, and then you need to place a trade, then you come over to the daily time frame, look at the market in a bigger view, and then you place your trade. Then time to time you just open your phone, check what is happening on that trade. If you are okay with the profit, you close, or if you're on losses, you close. I'm going to also talk about losses. So after you know what is going on, remember, the trend is your friend. If you see this in the chart, if you open the chart and then you see that the market is selling, you join, you sell, you get. I'm going to teach you how not to how to enter a trade properly. So after you do this, the next thing you want to do now is to create an account. How do you want to profit from this chart? If this chart is money, because this chart is money for real. So everything here is happening. Everything that's happening here is money. This thing you're seeing here, this green candle, this red candle is money. So how do you now benefit from this chart? So the only way you can benefit from this chart is to go over to create a forex account. So you can go over to your Google and type derive.com, or I'm going to link it I'm going to drop the link below. So derive.com, this is one of the best broker I have been using for 5 years now. I've been using these guys for 5 years now, and one good thing about these guys is that I can literally walk up to where I want to buy something, and then I click on withdraw and they pay me ASAP. So I can literally walk into where I want to get something. I want to buy a new car, I want to buy a phone, I want to buy whatever thing I want to buy, and just click on withdrawal process, and they will pay me ASAP. Even if I don't want to use them, they have payments. They have thousands and thousands of, almost up to, I think, 5 to 10,000 payment agent that can pay me ASAP based on their rate. So I can also withdraw to my crypto account. They have flexible payment, flexible funding. Their spread is sweet spread that you can, even with your $1, you can flip it to $10. That is how good their spread is. So all I just need to do, just to go over, so if you don't want to start trading for now, you can click on try demo for free. You can just click on the demo account, and then you create a demo account. It's very easy. You can, once you click on the link, it brings you here. Just click on try demo for free, and then once the portal open, you fill in your various details and you create a demo account. Just put your email address here. Once you put your email address there, you click on create account. They will send you a message to your email. Then you go back to that your email and click on that link. It will bring you to the portal. I don't want to do this now, but I have a video that talks about this, so I'm still going to link it on the description below, because if I want to do this step by step, the video will be too long, because I want to make sure I teach you how to trade forex in the next 30 minutes. So after you finish with your creating accounts, you can create a live account if you want. You can also create a demo account. A demo account is a virtual account. It's a free account where you can be practicing to it behaves like a real life account. I'm going to still drop a video about it. Yeah, so it behaves like a real account. Everything the real account does, it does, but the only thing that it doesn't do is that you can't withdraw from it. You can't withdraw money from that account, but everything is real. You can close, you can open trade, you can modify trade, you can do everything, you can do pending orders. So after you finish creating your account, what do you need to do now? The next thing is you need to choose the kind of trader you want to be. You need to choose the kind of trader you want to be. So do you want to be a currency trader, or do you want to trade stock? Trading stock now is, for instance, now like this broker I showed you now, they have a very nice stock like the volatility 75 index, the crash and boom and the rest. This broker now, with the volatility now, you can flip, I think you can flip $50. I personally, I can flip $50 to $500. Yes, in less than 1 week. You can flip it. With their volatility is very flexible, very good. Or better still, but volatility is aggressive. Yes, but better still, you can still do currency. Currency is like you're trading the country's currency of your choice. You can do currency. Now the difference between the stock and the currency is that stock is not affected by news. So what I mean by stock is not affected by news is that all the stock that you want to trade now, no news affect them, and they open 24 hours. They don't close like the forex market. Forex market closes on Friday and open back on Monday. Yes, they close on Friday, open fully on Monday. They can also open on Sunday, but they open fully on Monday. So they observe weekend. They don't open during the weekend, but stock does not close weekend or no weekend. They trade. You can trade 24 hours. They are there. So yeah, they can trade 24 hours. They are there. And stocks is not affected by news, but currency is affected by news. For instance, the upcoming US news is going to be affected by this currency, Great British Pounds. Anything that has to do with dollar, USD, GBP USD, Great British Pounds versus dollars, will be affected by news, or everything under dollar will be affected by news. So how do you now prevent that, or how do you make money from that news? So that brings us, so how to trade news. All you need is just to go and download my forexbook.com. It has an app on Play Store. You can use your app on Play Store, or if you are using computer, you can use your computer for this purpose. So all you need to do is, once you sign up, you create an account. So why you creating an account is free. You don't have to pay any money. You're creating an account so that you can personalize everything you want to see. For instance, if you check my account, in this forex news, they usually have medium, low, and high. So you can personalize it. If I log into my account, I'll be able to personalize it. I don't need to see this low, I don't need to see this medium, because they don't make any strong impact in the market. What I need to see is high. This one, the color red, this high means strong impact. So I have a video where I talk about how to trade news. I'm going to still link it up. So in this place, once you know all these things, you don't even have to struggle too much. For instance, now there's a news coming up. Today is November, right? We are in November 6th. You can see, follow the cursor, November 6th. There's a news coming up in 20 minutes time. A news, GBP USD, and it's global construction PMI news coming up. So you can trade this one. You can make money from it, or you can stay out from it. So once you are trading currency, you can make money from trading news, or you can stay out from trading news, because news is very volatile. So you can make money from that volatility, or you can lose money depending on which one you choose. So Now on Friday, there's NFP news, which is one of the sweetest news that is coming up. It always happens once in every month. First Friday of every month. It happens first Friday of every month. So you can make money from it. So all you need, for instance, let me say I want to trade this news. All I need to do is just to click on the news once it opens, and then I'll just say a higher than expected figure should be seen. Higher than expected figure, I have to read this. Higher than expected figure should be seen as a positive bull for GBP USD, while a lower than expected figure should be seen as a negative bracket bearish for the GBP USD. So now I come over here. The latest price was 57.2. I go back and read again. Here than expected figure should be seen as a positive bull. Now bull means bullish, means buy, bearish means sell. So always remember that. You see the way I'm nodding my head. Bull means buy, bearish means sell. You can, if you don't want to call it bullish, you can call it buying. Remember I said we do two things in the market, buying and selling. So if you don't want to call it buying and selling, you can call it bullish and bearish. So let these terms not convince you. Maybe people will do justice to all these terms and terminologies. So bullish means a higher than expected figure should be seen as positive bull. So the first, how to trade is now the higher figure was 52.2. This new release is 55.5. That means it's high. So a higher than expected figure should be seen as bull. So that means it is high. It's going to go up. So it's a lower than expected figure. That means if this new release 52.5 was higher than this, then you have to buy, which is bull. But it's lower, which is a lower than expected figure, should be seen as negative bearish sell. So you should be looking at a sell trend. So if there's time, if I enter this trade sell, you see the reaction that market is actually going to be selling deeply. So also you can also come down and take advantage of the market sentiment. You can see this market sentiment, what market is doing. So if you check here market sentiment, you can see 27% of persons are selling this market, just like I predicted, and then 73% of persons are buying. So now you just do not trade news just like that. You have to combine it with technical analysis. So now that brings us to technical analysis. So now after if you can remember where we came up from, how to trade Forex, and then how to trade news, how to create an account, and then finally we are at technical analysis. What is technical analysis? A simple definition of technical analysis is just preparation. Just prepare yourself before you leap. Preparing yourself before you leap, and TradingView is a great tool for preparing yourself before you leap. So I have a video that talks about how to master technical analysis. So now they have already told you that market does two things, buying and selling, right? And then this chart, Japanese candlestick, is where this chart now is Japanese candlestick. Now all this, if you zoom it, it looks like candle, and every information in this thing is very, very important. Every information, you can see, it looks like candle. Every information in this thing is really, really very important. I have a video that talks about technical analysis in full. So now let's say I want to trade GBP USD. Let me quickly give you a technical analysis. I want to trade GBP USD. I just need two time frame or three time frame. The first time frame is my analysis time frame. The second time frame is my confirmation time frame. The last time frame is my entry time frame. Now my analysis time frame, now this is what we call top-down analysis. There are different strategies where you can use to analyze the market. There's what is called smart money concept. You can use that one to confirm whatever you want to confirm. But technical analysis, price action is like reading naked Forex. So what I'm doing now, I'm reading naked charts, but without using any technical tools. Technical tools is like you are adding tools to help you read the market for you. But meanwhile, you can train your eyes, and I will also advise you as an upcoming forex trader not to waste your money on technical analysis. You get, instead focus on this chart, learn a lot about this chart. I have a video that will teach you a lot in my playlist. If you're not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel so that you will learn a whole lot about forex trading. This channel will guide you on how to start your forex trading step by step. Now back to the business. So all I need to do is just to zoom down. When I zoom down, since they say up movement is talking about buy and down movement is talking about sell, so I will now look at the up movements. Now the market started from this area. I just want to do a brief. I have a video that talks about technical analysis, but I just want to give you a glimpse of how technical analysis is. So now this up movement, this market came up, okay, came up from here and stopped here at first, did some retracement, came up from here. So this is higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now this is higher high, higher low. Why are we calling it higher low? Because it's an uptrend. Now higher low, yeah, it's higher low because it's going down. Market does not just move straight, it must make some movements. So this is higher low, this is higher high, this is higher high, this is higher high. So that is the market. So that is currently what the market is currently doing. And then that means the market currently right now is trending high. Market currently right now is trending high. After seeing this level is higher than this level, market currently is making a higher movement. So all I need to do is just to come over to the lowest time frame to look for something that will resonate or flow alongside what the daily time frame is doing. So that's what you need to do. That is what technical analysis is. So now you can see from the 4 hours time frame, I can boldly see that. Let me reset the chart. So I can boldly see that the market, the last candle over here, you need to go and learn about candle, to learn about candle. Baby pigs will do that work. So the last candle here is a buy candle, it's green, so it's a buy candle, and currently there's a double bottom here. There's a double bottom here. So double bottom is a kind of a retracement. Market wants to retrace to the other direction. So there's a double bottom here which did not break through. Now in the 4 hours time frame, then I can now look for 1 hour. I can go over to 1 hour to start and taking my entry. Now in this 1 hour, now I shouldn't jump into this trade just like that. I need some confirmation, and the confirmation I need here now is this market to just go over a little bit, come here, come down again, not able to break this low. That means not able to break this low. If it breaks down this low, then the trend is over. But if it does not break down the low, stop somewhere here, start pushing up again higher than this first one. Indeed, I'll wait for it. Forex market is all about patience. If you come back again, then this is where you need to take your entry, either in the 1 hour or the 15 minutes time frame. Forex is a game of patience. If you're actually patient enough, you can actually make good money from forex market. So I don't want this video to be too long. It's already getting too long. So lastly is risk management. You're not going to lose your money. You're not going to lose all your money in forex trading. You have heard a lot about people losing money in forex. You're not going to lose your money. Forex has to do with you. Nobody plays the trade for you. You are the only one that plays your trade by yourself. So you are the one that will determine whether you lose your money or not, because you have what's called lot size. Lot size is, for instance, now if you're conversant with betting, right? You want to bet that somebody Arsenal is playing with Man United, and then you bet with 100 naira or $100, for instance, or you bet with $10. So now if that match favors you, if that match favors you, so you're going to profit based on $10, right? If that match does not favor you, you lose. You're going to only lose $10, right? What about if you bet with $100? What about if you bet $1,000? Same thing applies. So that is, you have to choose your loss, your risks wisely. So nobody enters a trade for you. You are the one that chooses your risks. So there are a lot of things that also, there are a lot of lectures about risk management, about psychologies and the rest. So do well to check up those videos. All right, this is where I'm going to be ending this video. If you find value in this video, do well to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. You can download this video, you can share it to wherever you want to share it, that whoever want to start trading forex and build your career and start living that dream life that you want to live. All right, see you in the next video. Bye.